In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app. Now, most people don't know that it's a big difference between deleting photos from one of your albums and from Photos section. If you want to delete them from Photos section after holding one of them, you can use those dots at the top right corners to pick multiple, or select all at the top left corner here and pick all of those instantly. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you are deleting photos from your album though, after clicking on it and holding one of your pictures, you'll be able to select all of them at once, but no individual sections, like for example days of the week. You can discard some the same way and delete the rest by tapping on the same bin button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment